All right, guys, let's take a look at a forecast out there today, which is going to be a good one for you. I think you'll find pretty fantastic conditions out there for most of the day. It's a little bit stickier out there. The sun really has just come up about 20 minutes ago, not even quite. Sunrise was at 5:58, sunset at 7:50. So the day length, it's getting shorter and shorter. We got a 13-hour, 51-minute day length now for you. Temperature 69 degrees at Midway, 66 Gary, 68 for Valparaiso, and I got about 68 degrees or so around O'Hare. And we do intend for most of the day to be fairly dry, pretty easy out there, no problems. We will see some scattered shower activity generally down to the southern half of Chicagoland because a cold front's going to sag southward through the day, and where it situates itself this afternoon could spark up just some light showers. We don't have a lot of instability, but you can see the activity that we may find around 3:30 today. Rest of the afternoon and evening should be okay. Then by tomorrow, late night, we're looking at some showers and storms that'll come through and start to plague us a bit early on our Thursday as well. So beginning a bit more of an active weather pattern, and certainly that's the case in the tropics right now. We've got a hurricane out there in the Atlantic. This is Hurricane Gert, currently a 75-mile-an-hour sustained wind, which makes it a Category 1. Looks like this one is going to move north and eventually turn on off to the north and northeast, which is good news. That means not a threat, at least how it looks right now, how it stands at the moment for the U.S. mainland. So fantastic news there. Mostly sunny and the stray shower out there today. 82 degrees the high temperature. West-southwesterly wind from 5 to 15 miles per hour. Looking at that Weather Watch forecast, you're going to find it a bit warmer, a bit muggier tomorrow. Showers and storms Wednesday night into Thursday, and then a bit calmer moving into the end of the week and the weekend, Derek.
So time right now for the weather. Look at the forecast. A little rain later on, but kind of nice outside.
Yeah.
Overcast.
If we see rain, it's going to be minimal stuff way down by the cold front, probably south of I-80, just, what we'd call a stray shower. So I think we're okay today.
Good.
Vast majority of tomorrow. And tomorrow night.
Okay. Not so much.
Yeah, maybe things begin to change a bit. But looking live out over the city right now, out over the lakefront, it's a pretty calm day. We do have a little bit of cloud cover out there, but it's fairly sunny and should be a nice, comfortable temperature. A little bit muggier than it has been. Sun's been up now. It's just rising just before 6 o'clock. 5:58 was our sunrise. Sunset at 7:50 tonight gives us a day length of 13 hours and 51 minutes. Current temps are coming in at about 79 degrees for Gary, 81 degrees Midway, 80 for O'Hare, about 79 degrees around McHenry, and 76 for Waukegan. Again, a little muggier than yesterday, but still no showers out there. And if we do see activity, it's going to sort of follow this front as it sags down to the south. So most of the activity we see today would be south of I-80. Looking at another system, this one comes in late tomorrow night, could bring us a better chance of thunderstorm activity, or likely some heavier rain going to come with this system. So it begins a more active period of weather starting about midday tomorrow and lasting through Thursday. It's also pretty active in the tropics right now. We've got Gert out there. It's a hurricane churning off the coast of the Carolinas. Now, thankfully, it's pretty far on off to the east. And the good news is we expect this system to be what we call a recurver. That means it's not going to impact the U.S. mainland, but rather move to the north and eventually get picked up by the jet stream and kicked on off to the north and east. So this one stays out over the open waters of the Atlantic. Gert right now at Cat 1, a 75-mile-an-hour sustained wind moving north-northeast at about 10. So it's already started to take that little bit of an easterly jog, which is good news for anybody along the east coast of the U.S. We'll keep tracking it, though, for you. For today, we expect mostly sunny skies, maybe a stray shower. Again, most of that activity to the south. 82 the high temperature today. West-southwesterly wind anywhere from 5 to about 15 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy and mild, dropping down to around 69. Got a northeasterly wind from about 5 to 10 miles an hour, and then that 7-day planner takes us out. I don't see the dog days of summer anywhere. Where'd those hot 90-degree days that go for end on end? Oh, and you feel so hot. No, nowhere in this 7-day forecast. So we're good all the way through the period. Now, we do see a little bit of an active period, though, setting up with the showers and storms tomorrow and in Thursday. But by the time we roll into the weekend, it's nice again. So
nice and comfortable always.
About as good as August can get.
All right. Thanks, Megan. Yep.